If you are a trader, ayaw naman natin ang sagot sa tanong natin na who's buying this market is, oy, teka lang, di sila yung mga na-liquidate na shorts. We don't want that because it makes the argument illiquid. It makes the argument false. It makes the argument hindi pa tayo bull run. Kasi na-liquidate lang yung mga kumakalaban sa derivative books. What we want is the following. Take a look into my next couple of arguments, Kamiranda. Question number 3. Bull run na nga ba? Tanongin natin, baka nakakalimutan nyo, we are in the crypto space. We are in the crypto space. When Bitcoin is at $80,000, tanongin natin sarili natin, where is Bitcoin dominance? O, type 1, kung alam ang Bitcoin dominance. Or type 2, kung medyo bago tong terminal na to kasi I came from stock market, I came from Forex. I don't know what Bitcoin dominance is. Let's try to take a look into this particular chart. Take a look, Kamiranda, at the Bitcoin dominance. Take a look at the chart. Malayo-layo pa tayo, 72.88%. The problem with this particular chart is Bitcoin dominance is rising. When Bitcoin price is rising and Bitcoin dominance is rising as well, above 60%, it gives the argument that this is not a holistic Bitcoin bull run. Tinanggal mo na agad yung 40% ng market. Because if the Bitcoin price is pumping to almost 20%, from $64,000 up to $80,000 already, and the Bitcoin dominance remains at 60%, it tells you, listen carefully, it tells you that your altcoins are not moving yet.
Ikaw ay nakikinig kay Coach Miranda Miner sa Daily Crypto Live.
So this gives you a problem. When we want to say that it's a Bitcoin, when we want to say it's a crypto bull run, we now are faced with a dilemma that Bitcoin now becomes a bull run, but what about your altcoins? Because you need to remember in 2021 bull run and in the 2024, 2025 pump to $128,000, it was all-encompassing, umakyat. At mapapansin mo nga, Kamiranda, na konti na talaga, no? Kumukonti ng alternative coins, no? So 2021, parehas umakyat ang altcoins at Bitcoin. But noong 2024, 2025, umakyat ng konti ang altcoin dominance, but Bitcoin remained on the top simply because of the argument that there is a Bitcoin ETF already. Right? Now, this presents an argument kapag ang Bitcoin dominance ay umaakyat, maaaring ang sagot ay hati. Yes, bull run, pero Bitcoin lamang.
Ikaw ay nakikinig kay Coach Miranda Miner sa Daily Crypto